Alright, hey guys, it's Brad, and this is the finished product of my 101st Airborne, which, yes, they did have Mohawks. What this is these guys are painting their face with Native American things on their face before they launched on Operation Overlord, which is the day before D-Day they was getting ready, so that was June 6, 1944. And they did it to make them feel like warriors, and it was going to be the biggest jump into Normandy, the biggest jump, so they just wanted to go in there, so if the Nazis saw them, it might have kind of thrown them off a little bit, like, who are these guys? Well, they got Mohawks, but yeah, they're the 101st Airborne, and you can actually see that on the one right there. That's the 101st Screaming Eagles. And that guy right there's got a Tommy gun, and the other guy's applying the face paint, and yes, you can see Mohawks. So yes, they had Mohawks. I imagine they let it grow back out because it's going to get cold when they went inland, but anyway, this was took a famous photo right before they done the operation, and I started with my mechanical pencil. You can get any old mechanical pencil. That's how I started out with, and then I finished up with Faber-Castell pencils. Faber-Castell, I don't know how you really say it, but I got them from Hobby Lobby a long time ago, almost a year ago. I really ain't used them much, but for the light color, now let's use the B pencil, and for the deep dark grays, I used the 6B, and it turned out good. We get on down in there and look at it a little bit, but yeah, I think it done good. You see him applying the white paint, and he's already got it on his face right here, but now he's applying it to his buddy's face, and yeah, real good detail on the webbing, the gear, and all that. You see him holding his Tommy gun. And I think I done a pretty good job. What do y'all think? We'll start off the new year with just a good old job. Soldiers, 101st Airborne, Army soldiers, American soldiers. My name is Brad All-American, so I need to draw more American stuff. Anyway, I hope you like it. I don't know, it took a little while, probably an hour and a half to do a whole thing right here, but thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy it and y'all have a good weekend. But my work weekend starts on Saturday, which is tomorrow, so that's the reason if anybody ever comments during the weekend, it's late at night before I get home, before I can comment on it, because I work a weekend shift Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's kind of weird, but anyway, I hope you like it, and I think it really turned out good. What y'all think? Let me know, yay or nay, and thank you for watching, and I had fun with this, and I'm keeping on. Getting back in the drawing. I need to do more drawing, so I keep up my game, or maybe even make it better. Anyway, thank you for watching, and it's old Brad, and y'all have a good weekend. All right, bye.